Let's talk about adding and subtracting integers. If Anna owes Rico $5 and she pays Rico $2, how much does she still owe? Well, this isn't meant to be a challenging question. She still owes Rico $3. This idea of Anna owing Rico $5 will denote with a -5. And then when she pays off $2, we'll add 2. And that's going to end up giving us a -3. She still owes him $3. When adding integers, we're going to have two separate cases. The first case is when both of the two integers have the same sign. In this case, we're going to add the sizes of the two numbers, and then we're going to keep the sign. Just as a quick reminder, the size of a number is the absolute value of that number. So let's look at an example. We have -6 plus -7. So we're going to add the two sizes. Now the sizes of the numbers are 6 and 7. And when we add those two numbers together, we're going to get 13. But then we keep the sign that they both had. So they were both negative, and so the result is going to be -13. So if I have a number line and I'm starting at 0 here, and I'm going to move to the left to get to -6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm here at -6. And then I want to subtract 7 from that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when I subtract on the number line, I'm going to move to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is going to get me to -13. When adding two numbers with opposite sizes, what we're going to do is subtract the sizes. And then we'll keep the sign of the number that has the larger size. So let's look at an example. Here we have -9 plus 4. So one of them has a negative sign and the other is positive, which means we're going to subtract the sizes. So let's take 9 minus 4, that's going to be 5. And then we keep the sign of the number with the larger size. So the number with the larger size here is the -9. So we keep the sign of that one. So the result is going to be -5. And thinking about this on a number line, we're starting at -9, which is going to be over here somewhere. And then we're adding 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's going to take us all the way to -8, -7, -6, -5. Let's check our understanding. Pause the video and answer the following questions, and then resume the video and check your answer. Here we're starting with 5 plus -4. So the numbers have opposite signs, so we'll subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1, and then we'll keep the sign of the number with the larger size. That's the 5, and that's a positive sign, and so we'll have +1. The second one is -24 plus -17. Those two have the same sign, and so what I'm going to do is add 24 plus 17. Which is going to be, let's see, 24 plus 7 would be 31, and then add an additional 10, so that's going to be 41. And now they both have a negative sign, and so the result is also going to be negative. Now let's look at the next one. -15 plus 5. We have opposite signs, so we'll subtract the sizes. 15 minus 5 is 10, and then we'll keep the sign of the number that has the larger size, which is -15, and so we'll keep the negative sign. Now we have -2 plus -7. Now these are both negative, so we have the same sign, so we'll add the sizes. 2 plus 7 is 9. Keep the sign, and so that's -9.